Sneezing is a reflex in vertebrates to remove dust and microparticles that enter the respiratory tract from the body. The sneezing reflex, which can reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour, allows tens of thousands of droplets to be expelled. We can see this behavior in humans, fish, cats, dogs, and many vertebrates. Therefore, if we sneeze into our sleeve or a tissue, we can prevent the spread of diseases. Although many cultures believe that sneezing stops every organ in the body, none of the organs stop working for a moment. The next time you sneeze, remember that you are experiencing a 500 million-year-old reflex.